Recent unveiling of the iPhone 15 has left tech enthusiasts buzzing with excitement, packed with numerous upgrades and surprising features. This latest addition to the iPhone family promises to make a significant impact on the smartphone market. In this comprehensive overview, we will delve into 23 interesting details about the iPhone 15, shedding light on the changes and improvement that Apple has brought to the table. Apple has just unveiled the iPhone 15 and there are 23 interesting things to know about it. The iPhone 15 features a frosted glass back for the first time in the non-Pro model. New pastel colors are available with the matte black option being a standout. The frame is more rounded for a comfortable hold. Apple has replaced the leather cases with a more eco-friendly material called fine woven. The display brightness on standard model now matches the pros, reaching the 2000 nits. Dynamic Iceland introduced in the iPhone 14 Pro are also present in the standard models. The iPhone 15 is powered by the Apple A16 chip, the previous year's Pro model chip. Case Defy offers a variety of customizable protection options for the iPhone 15. The standard models include a 48 megapixel camera, though Apple did not emphasize this. The default resolution is now 24 megapixels, resulting in sharper images. Smart HDR5 improved image processing, fixing issues with blown out highlights. The iPhone 15 standard models have a 2x sensor crop zoom for lossless zoom. Portrait mode is now automatic and allows changing focus after taking a shot. The ultra-wide camera lacks some features found in the Pro models. ProRes and ProRAW are exclusive to the Pro models. The iPhone 15 now has a USB-C port, though it's limited to USB 2.0 speed. The included cable is braided but not color matched. The U-chip enhanced device tracking the offer 3 times the range of the U1 chip. Roadside SOS is a new feature for requesting help when stranded without cellular signal. Charging speed and wireless charging remain the same previous models. The iPhone 15 lacks Wi-Fi 6E, a feature exclusive to the Pro models. Consider getting a refurbished iPhone 14 Pro for similar picking with some features. The iPhone 15 Pro model offer additional advantages including 120Hz displays, always on display and more. These are some key highlights of the iPhone 15 and it's essential to consider your specific need and preferences with choosing a model. As we wrap out our exploration of a iPhone 15, it's clear that Apple has delivered another compelling device that blends style and substance. With its frosted glass back, improved camera capabilities, and thoughtful design enhancement, the iPhone 15 offers users smartphone experiences that both visually appealing and technologically advanced. Whether you are photography enthusiast or simply looking for a dependable smartphone, the iPhone 15 holds promises for a wide range of the users as Apple continues to innovate and refine its products. We can only anticipate with exciting developments the features we bring to the world of smartphone.